Hey, what's up, you guys? Welcome to another Get to Know Me. And today I'm feeling very cozy. I put on a sweater. It's been kind of cold outside, so I just wanted to feel warm and cozy, like I said already. But yeah, I'm excited to be filming again in English because I usually just film in Spanish, and then whenever I do these, I do like 5 at once. Well, I've only done them once, but you know what I mean. So today's question is, what fictional place would you most like to go? If you've been a subscriber of mine for a while, or like a family member or friend, the answer for this. I don't even have to think about it. Of course, Hogwarts. I would die if I got my letter now. I would go and do school over again, even though it's 7 years again. Just thinking of the ability of being able to perform magic and do so many things, and it's just so exciting. I mean, even though Harry Potter's technically a fictional character, also Hogwarts, but let's pretend even if he does exist and he's already way older and I don't get to meet him, I would still die to be in the magical world. And then such amazing creatures, especially the Niffler. He's so cute. A lot of the Fantastic Beasts in the movie, they're super gorgeous. And then I have the book, which is somewhere there, and I love looking at the animals, and just I love that place. So I would definitely pick Hogwarts. Now, again, technically, since I live in the US, I will go to Ilvermorny because, technically I'm Mexican, right? But since I live in the US and my schooling for college was here in the US and high school as well, I would assume that I would be living in the US and going to Ilvermorny. I don't think J.K. Rowling has ever mentioned that there's wizarding schools in other countries other than Europe, for example the Hungarians and all of those, and then the British people, and then America. But I don't know if it's I don't know if Makusa is just for I guess technically USA. Yeah. I was gonna say all of the American continent, not just America, what we know as the United States. So I don't know, it would be weird to have wizarding schools in Mexico, but that would be amazing too. And then I would definitely do a little bit of studying abroad. Why not? But I personally do love the British accent. I think it's so cute. So I would die to go to Hogwarts, especially if McGonagall is gonna be the principal of the school. Hell yes. One thing for sure I would not drink is the butterbeer because I just don't like it. Sorry, but yeah. And pumpkin, I also don't like pumpkin, so I wouldn't be drinking pumpkin juice either. But everything else, I would be just so excited and to try. I don't know if I would do the polyjuice potion. I probably would, but I wouldn't know who to transform into. Maybe I could just I can't transform into myself. I was gonna say I would make myself a twin, but I can't because it would be me. And then again, maybe I could get somebody who's scared of me, if there's anyone, and then have them in front of a Bogart, so that the Bogart can be me and I can look at me from the outside perspective. I don't know, that's just weird, right? So yeah, that's all for today's video. I'm gonna stop ranting about this before I go in a little too deep. I guess I could also insert some pictures of me at the Wizarding studio. The Warner Brothers studio tour thing in London. Well, it's not technically in London, but in England. So yeah, just enjoy of some places I visited for the Harry Potter thing. Okay, well, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed those photos. I certainly would die to go back and visit and definitely spend like a whole day there. Or they also do like Christmas celebrations and New Year's celebrations and Halloween celebrations. It would just be so amazing. But anyways, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and share my channel and my videos with your friends and family so that we can keep growing. And I hope you guys have a wonderful day. Bye.